Alright guys, time to go underneath this 2015 A8 124,000 miles and see what we have. It's pretty much a one-owner car. Second owner has had it since 8,000 miles. It's a well-optioned one. It has the sport diff. You can see the trickery over here. It has an electric motor. Probably engages an extra clutch, or I don't know exactly how the technology on these work, but as you can see, super clean, very clean. 124,000 miles. If you check my channel, I did a Q7 as well. Had a little bit of less than this, but still well over 100. Well, under 100. Sorry. Oh, what am I saying? Well over 100. I had like 107, if memory serves me correctly. So this is the second one that's over, let me turn some light here, 100,000 miles so you can see there's no leaks. So yet again, Audi proves us wrong of what people normally say, that they're full of leaks. Look at all that room that you have to work with the belly pan off. That's why I love A8s. Look at all that room. If this was an A6 or S4 or a SQ5 or whatever, no room at all. But leak free. Suspension wise, everything is nice. Obviously no rust for the car, but everything is exactly where it needs to be and looks beautiful. I wasn't going to do this because it's very similar to the Q7. If you haven't seen the video, please look in my videos and see, same process. The only thing different is the oil pan. This one's actually bolted on, and we're gonna take it off and change the filter. There's a couple of videos on there, so you know me, I only make videos pretty much when it comes to repair, only if I don't find other videos. But this one does not have a plastic oil pan. Thank you, Audi. It's a metal one. Just change it, gasket, filter, you're done. But what I did want to show you, we're doing the same thing as we did with the Q7, changed all the fluids. This is the trans, okay? It's even darker than the Q7's was. Audi, BMW, Volkswagen, Lifetime, yeah, no. So change your transmission fluid. This one has 124K. As you can see, it's black. So do yourself a favor and change your fluids. All right, I can't help myself. So here's the pan down. What I wanted to also say, I don't know if the other videos show this, but loosen these bolts, this one and the one on top, because this pipe is going to get in the way of the pan and the bolt. So once you take off, you just yank the filter out of there. You should get about another quart or so. So I bought 5 quarts to do the change. Lifeguard 8, in case you're wondering. And this is the actual filter that I pulled out. And then what I wanted to show you is, look at all this. This is why you want to change your filter. All that, it's normal to a degree. What you see here is perfectly normal. This is all fine. But this is years, 124,000 miles of particles from wear and tear of the transmission. And this is what you want to change. That way these magnets are fresh, filters fresh, and it could last another 100,000, maybe even more.